Well, I did a bit more today on this nice sunny morning, and I took the doors off in the week. I didn't have a camera with me then, so I took some stills that removed the doors and the runners. So today's task was just scraping out all the crap from the back of the engine. It's getting there now, slowly. You can see the new copper pipe we put in for the rocker feet. Pardon me. Put some star chem on the back, paint stripper. Take all the counterweight back to bare metal. So I cleaned the cab out. It's general now. The work now is just basically cleaning and rubbing down. So it's a fair bit to do. So the doors have been painted. The cab door has been completed. So it's basically we got to rub this centre column section. All the roof going to be done. The two outers going to be done. Engine block going to be cleaned off a bit more. It's done a fair bit today. It was really manky in there. But dug out 3 buckets load of coal dust and you name it, it was in there. So I took it right down to where they can find metal. And it's basically keep going round and round till I'm satisfied with the cleanliness of the engine block. I won't be doing any more today now to get back now. So I left it with some paint stripper on the back end to take it right back, and what I find if you leave it, come back, it dries out, you put a wire brush on the attachment on the end, takes it right off. Then they put another coat of star chem at the end to finish off, then primer. So yeah, it's progressed a bit more. Neil and Jeff took the doors home for me. The old doors have come off here and the runner, so the next day or so I'll be on that, but next week is going to be pretty well tied up because they have arranged Mum's funeral for next Friday. So it's going to be a hard week next week, and they got a car boot sale here next Saturday, I believe, anyway, so I won't be here then anyway. But it's progressed, and I'm happy the way it's going, to be honest. It's going really well. But it's a big old machine and a lot of work. So we done the bucket pin last Tuesday I think it was. The cab door is finished. Plated that. All that's going to be rubbed down, put new lights on. The jib going to be rubbed down. Bucket repairs are completed. The new front was done before. Got one bolt missing at the top there on the tagline setup. And then she's cleaning and prepping it for the paint. And I think she's going to turn out good. It's just everything takes time, so there's no rush. I'm ahead of schedule where I wanted to be, actually. It was a good plan to take the doors off because the old doors were corroded on the base, which made them difficult to open. That's the pole there. They refurbished the pole, which is like a stanchion pole for the between the roof and the bottom casting. So well, that's it for today anyway. I'm going to go back home now. Starting to flag a bit now, and so relax a bit. So till next time, have a lovely weekend, and look out for the next video. Goodbye.